Hello, and I'm back with another macrame video, and for today's tutorial we're going to make a small and simple keychain. So easy to make. Here are the materials that you're gonna need for this project. It doesn't have to be a braided cord as long as it's 3 mm, and you can use a different keyring if you like. I began pinning the lobster clasp on this thingy, but anyway, you can tape it, or if you have a macrame board, use that too. If you've already been doing macrame for a while, you don't have to pin it, but this just makes the work easier. Anyway, you will first need to tie a LARK'S head knot, like so. And if you're not sure how to tie it, I do have a tutorial which will be linked in the description box below. By the way, I'm using the two 50-inch strands to make the sinnet. Now I'm just going to separate the strands. It's as if you're forming a cross. To begin the sinnet, we're just going to overlap the strands on top of each other to form loops like this. Then insert the last strand on the first loop that you made. Now gently tighten the strands and make sure to leave about 1/2 inch on the top, because that's where we are going to tie our gathering knot at the very end. I'm going to repeat the steps again from the very beginning, and I will continue overlapping the strands on top of each other until I reach the desired length. If you want to have a longer sinnet so that you can wear it on your wrist, you can cut approximately 150 inches. If you're using 4 mm cord, you probably have to cut a little bit more. Here's a close-up of how I'm tying the sinnet. I'm not actually sure what you call it, but I think it's a beautiful knot. Alright, I'm gonna stop talking now and I'll let you work on your knots. Alright, I think I'm happy with the length. So now we are going to grab the 18 inches strand and tie a gathering knot on top. After 5 to 6 turns, I'm going to insert the tail through the loop and pull that tiny strand sticking out, but make sure to not pull it all the way through or else you're going to unravel the knot. You want to trap the loop under the strands that you used to wrap around the top. Now gently tug the strings and cut the excess cord. Now you can tuck the strands using the tip of your scissors, or if you have a tapestry needle, that works best too. Just make sure that you're doing it carefully to avoid injuries. And you're done. Thank you so much for watching, and if I earned it, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you aren't already. I'll see you in the next one.